Welcome to Moko Loko TV. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.
Hi kids, did you know that there are about 1 million species of animals that live in the ocean? Who's ready to learn marine life with me? Here we go.
Octopus. Octopus. Dolphin. Dolphin. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Squid. Squid. Clownfish. Clownfish. Blue tang. Blue tang. Humpback whale. Humpback whale. Killer whale. Killer whale. Penguin. Penguin. Seahorse. Seahorse. Stingray. Stingray. Lobster. Lobster. Hermit crab. Hermit crab. Manta ray. Manta ray. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish. Narwhal. Narwhal.
Have you fun, kids? Please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next video. Bye.
Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.